At the World Under-20 Championships in Lima, Peru, Jamaican athletes showcased their talent and determination on the track, delivering commendable performances amidst stiff competition and challenging conditions. The Annalee Terralong, running in her 100 meters heat, clocked in at 12:03 seconds, finishing fourth. Despite facing a tough field, Terralong showed her resilience, missing the fastest time in her heat by just plus 0.226 seconds. She did not advance to the semifinals. In the semifinals of the women's 100 meters, Alana Reid delivered a stellar performance. Running from lane 4, Reid won her semifinal heat with a time of 11.44 seconds, despite contending with a slight headwind of minus 0.3 meters per second. Her victory not only secured her a spot in the finals. On the men's side, Gary Card and DeAndre Daly both put up impressive performances in the 100 meters semifinals. Gary Card, running from lane 3, finished third in his heat with a time of 10.39 seconds. Although this time was not an automatic qualifying spot, it was enough to earn him a place in the finals, where he aims to clinch a medal. DeAndre Daly, also running from lane 3, clocked a time of 10.34 seconds to advance to the finals, showing his competitive edge in this high-stakes event. In the mixed 4x100 meters relay, the Jamaican team put forth a strong effort, finishing fourth with a season-best time of 3:22.74. This performance not only marks an improvement for the team, but also sets a positive tone for the rest of their season.